It is time for the golden hour at the best beach in Cyprus, NISSI Beach. And this is the first time I'm here at NISSI Beach during this time of the day, and it's very beautiful indeed, as the same it is during the day. There are a lot more people today compared to the day 2 when I was here, and right now I'm on day 8 on my Cyprus vacation. And right now I am on the NISSI island that's right across the beach. And today, because there are low tides, it is basically creating a natural sandy bridge to the beach. And yes, today is 28th of December and beautiful day, 20 degrees Celsius even now towards the end of the day. And that is the sunset over there that you can see in full from this beach. Actually, I'm technically on the NISSI island right now, so it's gonna be super interesting and nice. Here is how it looks like, and we can also walk towards the beach from the island to the beach. It looks amazing indeed, and I need to choose now if I'm gonna go this direction towards the sun or on the opposite direction. It looks nice either way. Alright, I'm gonna choose this spot, this side, as I have taken a swim on the other side the other day. But it's gonna be a fantastic sunset swim here at NISSI Beach. I really look forward to it. The water is very warm, around 20 degrees Celsius. Warm for this time of the year, as during the summer here it is over 30 degrees in the sea. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Beautiful. So when I was here 6 days ago on the same beach, it was lots of beautiful waves, and it was a danger sign not to swim in because of the tide. But today it is very flat indeed, and it's perfect for enjoying. And yeah, let's then dive in, not wait any longer, as the sun is on its way down, as you can see. Let's go. What an amazing sunset swim at NISSI Beach. Isn't it amazing? It's perfect. Look at that. The sunset and the whole beautiful beach and the natural sandy passage to the NISSI island that you can see now. Yep, I really enjoyed, and I'm gonna be enjoying now until the sun goes down fully in about 20 minutes maybe. So thanks a lot for watching this episode from NISSI Beach, yet another on my channel, and stay tuned for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.